Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all the puppets I got from a store. So this is the first one, which is a Minnie Mouse puppet. I think it's a great puppet. It has great sounds. And it's pretty loud. This is the okay side. This is a good side. You see, it's pretty loud. And there's like 30, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. There are 38 bubbles, which this is my second favorite puppet from all of the bunches. So I'm going to show you another one next. So see y'all.